Hi everyone, this is Hitesh, and in this video we are going to talk about BEL recruitment examination that will going to happen in some days. For that we are having the application running on. So the reason for using this mic is I'm not feeling that much well, but somehow I don't know why. I usually don't make videos like this, but I felt something like I need to share some insight. If it is useful for some one person also, then it will be beneficial. No? We don't know like what one thing that I am going to tell will touch one person, and he or she may be able to get into the list. So I am talking about BEL recruitment examination, and my background is I am a computer science engineering graduate. Unfortunately, in 2024, I was not able to make into the final merit list. I have qualified BEL examination and sit for the interview, but in the merit list I didn't got selected. You must be wondering like whether I'm preparing for the bell or not. So that I'm not sure, but when I saw the notification now, I thought of sharing this to you guys. Like, and the reason for making this video in English is many of many of the students now, they are belonging to south region, so they are not able to understand Hindi properly. So if I make a video in English now, they will be also be able to at least they will also be able to understand like what I'm going to speak and what and all. So that's the reason. My English is not that much good. You need to bear with me like at least for some minutes so that I will be able to explain the process. So I will be talking with some points uh, that will be beneficial for you guys all, and from starting to the end I will tell you the all the process that is going to happen. That will not be that much straightforward. Like I might miss some point, but I will say you all whatever I have remembered. Okay, so you need to understand like whatever I say, it is not completely true. Okay, there might be some mixing here and there, but as far as I remember, I will express those to you. Okay. So talking about BEL FT fixed tenure engineer, they were having the recruitment for fixed tenure engineer in 2024. So I have filled the form for fixed tenure engineer examination. So this complete process will take around 4 to 5 months. They will first fill the form. The form for trainee engineer is now available, means the applications are open now. You need to fill the form, and after 1 to 2 months they will be having the examination. So once you have given the examination, they will generate the result. They will publish the result. So after publishing the result, you will get to know that actual marks, like what are the marks you have gotten. So and once you are getting into the merit list, they will call for, once you are shortlisted for the interview based upon the cutoff, they will call you for an interview, and interview will be scheduled, and based on that you need to give the interview, and based on the final merit, they will call you, and they will provide you the offer letter. So this is the complete process. Talking about the exam, my examination was around 120 or 125 marks. There, if I remember correctly, then 85 marks will be from our subject like computer science, and 25 marks will be from aptitude. The aptitude section was normal, like reasoning sections and all. like you might have sit for the placement examination. There you will have like reasoning questions like number series, pattern finding, alphabet series, and all. You will have some dice question. You will have some direction question. You will have some basic maths question. It will be completely be doable. Huh? Yeah, you know, no need to worry. Yeah, you can simply, if you have sitting for the placement exam, then surely those questions will be able. You will all be able to solve that question. Talking about the technical part, you will have basic questions for all. Like if I say like uh, C, Python, data structure, algorithm. So from all the subjects, no, that we are having for gate, or that we studied for computer science, in all those subjects we have basic questions paper. We have basic questions for that. For example, like if you talk about algorithm, they will ask like what is the time complexity of merge sort, what is the time complexity of binary search. We are divide and conquer algorithm is a type of which type of algorithm, it resides under which type. Means merge sort resides in which type of algorithm. It is on divide and conquer algorithm, like that. They will talk about BST, what is binary search tree. They will uh, they will give the notes, and they will ask like what will be the child for that, total number of child for that. They will give C programming questions, and they will like predict the output type questions and all. These are from C data structures. Like in the linked list, they will ask, they will draw the tree, and they will ask like what is the next output possible and all. Basically, talking about the computer network, it will also be having basic question like bus, topologies, where network structures, OSI layer and all. Like hub comes under which layer, router comes under which layer. What is the purpose for that? And moreover, as I can remember, like they will have some like handshake algorithm is there, na? And apart from that, they will have mm, they will be having some like send acknowledge. I am not able to like, I just simply sat on the front of the camera and just recording. I haven't like gone through the notes and all. So it's a complete like 6 to 7 months have gone and all. I have a recording like that. So there will be some send and acknowledgement where you need to where some sender needs to be where a packet needs to be sent it to one node, and there we need to send and acknowledge and all. Like if a packet is received to the sender, there is a acknowledgement, and if it is not received, there are some cases where the acknowledgement comes back to the sender and all. So that you need to like learn. There you need to focus. Talking about DBMS, there will be like keys and all. Uh, SQL, you will be having basic questions like aggregate functions and all. So they will be asking basic questions like in the operating system. They will also having questions. I have seen a lot of questions from compiler design, like what is token. Like you will have one question where you need to predict how there will be a sentence, and you need to predict like how what is the token and all, like total number of tokens you need to predict, you need to find. Apart from that, they will ask like if I remember correctly, they will ask like compiler phases. There are different phases of a compiler, no? They will ask like assembly code is generated by which and all. You are able to like, once if you have read the compiler designer, you will be able to pin that point, like where I am pointing to the questions, right? So, and from the TOC, from formal language automata theory or theory of computation, they will be having questions from like basic questions from Turing machine, DFA, NFA, basic questions only. If you are able to capable of learning and all, uh, this is all. And from software engineering, they will having questions from like test and all, like you what white box testing, black box testing, what is supervised learning, what is the advantages of supervised learning, if I means not advantage, like which of the algorithm comes under supervised learning. Don't be like don't be like in a state of mind like, oh god, these and all type of questions are coming. I'm saying because I have given the exam, right? You don't need to go through all the questions and all, and you don't need to score 100%, but at least you will be able to, like, if you have if you sincerely preparing for this examination, na, like let me tell you one thing. If you sincerely prepare for gate examination, this will be a cup of cake for you, cup of tea for you, okay? This will be a cup of tea for you. And even if you don't prepare, even if you don't prepare, na, just go like go go to the basic questions, and grab the all the questions and try to solve. It will be easy. Like, don't be like in fear, like I have told so many things. I don't know, like if someone is watching and say, oh, Ritesh has told so many things, I don't know anything. So don't be like what I say, don't be sad for that. You just focus on one subject, like C, data structure, algorithm. If you focus on three subject only, then 20 marks will be coming. Compiler design, if you focus, TOC will if you focus, and just go and sit the examination. The examination pressure is different from the normal. Like if you sincerely, if you really want to prepare, na, you can go for it. Like even you don't know and you want to give the examination, go, just go and sit. But like these are the basic questions that they are asking. You need to learn the like algorithm, like what is the time complexity and all, which algorithm comes under which strategy. Like I told, na, merge sort, consider, divide and conquer and all, like that. You need to like study. Apart from that, like once I have given the examination, I was able to score 67 marks. So 67, the 67 marks, they I'm able to like uh, for the I'm shortlisted for sorry, I'm shortlisted for interview. So now I will tell you like what happened in the interview process. So once you get shortlisted, just go through the all the list of documents that they are going to ask for. They will publish that in the website. Just go through that all once, and verify all those. Like they will be asking for Xerox and all. If you are working somewhere, they will ask for some PF and all. So go through all the documents once, and try to gather all those. And after that, you need to go to the given locations, and you need to first you will having document verification. Once your documents are verified, you will be segregated into different groups. And my in mine case, like there were like 6 to 7 members, means 6 to 7 peoples, like interviewers. So in that, two are female and rest all are male. I gone. Uh, what happened? Like I haven't prepared for the examination. Like I don't know why, but I'm not flexing anything. But I'm like really sad for this. My like. So that's why I'm sharing my experience, so that if it is beneficial for someone, then it is very much necessary. So like even I know like I have selected for the examination. I haven't prepared for the interview. Like I just gone for the interview blind. Like so they asked me introduce yourself. I told like I'm Ritesh Kumar and all. I just told normally like what I have done. I have done BTech from this and this college. I am work. I am like I've like I done. Wait. I told like I am Ritesh Kumar and I have done my BTech from this and this in computer science engineering branch, and my hobby is this and that, and my like project is this and that. So he told like this is it. Yes, like someone told me one day beginning like okay, don't tell all of those things, like just to be short. So I kept short. So they said like this is it. Yes sir. So what about your parents? Huh? Parents? I said for placement examination I prepared a 4 to 5 paragraphs, fully paragraph, but I was not able to furnish that because like you need to like first you need to have no like what are the things I need to say and all. So like they were introduce yourself shortly means don't introduce yourself shortly, just to give like mention all those things like name, branch and all, from the place where you belong, what are your parents like doing and all. If your mother is a housewife, mention that. What about your father, mention that. If you have any siblings, mention that. What are your hobbies, what are the projects that you have worked on. Like this introduction is completed. They told like okay, uh, which language you are comfortable in, programming language they were asking. I say like I know Java, Python, C++, and I haven't like studied all those. Means I know, but I haven't like. You need to furnish like if you sit for some answer interview and all. You need to if you know, then you will need to furnish those. If you don't know, if you know but you will not able to furnish, you will not able to produce that. It means that you were not able to know that. So the thing is, the second mistake I have done is I told like Java, Python, but I'm comfortable in Python. So they have asked. So the thing is like you need to answer one, like if you know Java, go with Java. If you know Python, go with Python. If you know C, go with C. There is no like restriction like you need to learn and all. Go with C. They will ask you basic questions in C. They will ask some programs. So I will tell what they have asked with me. And I went, I told like I know Python. So ma'am was saying like okay, given two arrays, you need to multiply the contents of the array using NumPy. And I was saying like I have done NumPy in second year or third year of my college, and now it is I have passed graduation from 2023 and I am giving exam in 2024, 2025 January interview. How will I do? So I told ma'am like I'm not able to recognize, I'm not able to recall those. So yeah, I'm fine. So she told okay fine. So one of the like members, one of the like interviewer, they asked like all those will be friendly, huh? There will no need to like be furious about all. They will all be friendly. They will help you to be in comfortable situation and all. There will be nothing to worry and all. Okay. So the other interviewer asked me like, okay Ritesh, tell me one thing, like if you need to like remove all the vowels from the your name, how will you do? Write a program for that. So I've written the program, and after that they have asked some basic questions like I will tell you what questions, like which register is faster than cache memory or cache memory is faster. I told register is faster. He told he wants explanation like why this is faster. Are you sure? I said yes, register faster, but I don't have proper answer for that. There I lacked. They told what is the difference between structure and union. I haven't prepared for that, so there I lacked there also. Apart from that, they have asked basic difference between RAM and ROM. I told that, and there were several questions from Python, like basic OOPS questions. So I was able to answer those questions like encapsulation, abstraction, and all. So I answered those questions, and like they will be like 15 to 20 minutes. The interview will be 15 to 20 minutes, and you need to you need to play from the minds of the interviewer. Like if you don't know something, you need to say only those things that you know, that I need to like learn and all. So this is it, and they have asked me about the what is the final year project we have worked on and all. So I have told like this and that I have worked on and all. Apart from that, like even if you don't know, like the main crux is like even if you don't know like basic programming language, even if you know C, then you need to tell that I know C. You can ask question from C and all. They will ask question from C. They will ask basic questions like what are the iteration and all, why and all we need and all, like that. Structure and union is important, and in C programming also they have asked one question. I'm not able to recall, and my like all other members from other members also, they were asking simple question like oops concept and all, C programming questions, data structure questions, like basic. So you need to be prepared. The main thing is, if you planning to give the examination, you should be able to prepare for that. Even if you like I scored 67, and maybe in 25 marks I maybe gotten 15 to 10 to 15 marks. The cutoff might not be that much high, but if I have scored 10 more marks, 77 or 80, 85, then I might be able to get into the list. So at that time there was no guidance and all. So that's why I thought like if this video will be helpful for someone, at least one person, then it will be like really great, you know. And the last thing is like that's what I was saying, no? Ki even if you like even if you like have 1% chance, no, like okay, I want to prepare for this, I want to give this examination. So divide the subjects into the number of days, like see data extraction and all. Divide those in the number of days and just go through it. Give it, if you give this examination, if you give 100% now, surely you will be able to make into the list. Like there is no that much. Look, you can imagine from this. I have cracked gate examination 2022, and without any preparation. 2022 I have prepared in third year, fourth year all gone waste. 2024 all gone like that. 2025 I have seated from the examination and got 67 marks. I'm not saying 67 is that much like great and all, but I'm giving you a confidence. Like even if you are in my like my place, then you can sit for the examination. And I have just qualified gate exam for your kind attention. I have not I was in the top 5,000, but I'm not that much like good. So yeah, that's what I was saying. Like even if you have confidence now, I'm going to crack and all, so you can take inspiration from me. Like if I can go and sit and give the examination without preparation, if you do 10% or 15% or 20% of that, you'll be able to make into the list. And whatever I have Look, everyone will tell about their achievements. No one will tell about the failure, right? If I am here in front of your camera, in front of the camera, and I am saying about my failure, you will be able to learn from that. Like, oh, okay, this person has done this and this thing, so I will make a note of it, and I will not try to make the same same what same mistake again and again. So that's why I want to say for this. Like, I want to say express my views on this. So maybe this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching this video.